Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now search here photos. Now click on photos app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of photos app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open photos app. Now click on albums and scroll down and here you can see your recently deleted album and here you can check your deleted videos or photos. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.